Hey there. Noticed weaker legs or achy knees after 50? I'm Dr. Steven, here to share 4 simple home exercises to rebuild leg strength and prevent falls. Plus, stay tuned for a bonus tip to boost your results. Comment your city below, and if this helps, subscribe and hit the bell for weekly health tips. Weak legs and poor balance after 50 can lead to falls, which may threaten your independence. Walking 10,000 steps daily is not enough to rebuild lost muscle. These 4 exercises are designed to target your thighs, glutes, and calves. No gym needed. Studies show that strength training reduces fall risk by 30% in seniors. First, standing calf raises boost circulation and improve balance. Stand near a wall for support, feet shoulder width apart, spine straight. Lift your heels high, hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Start with 2 sets of 10 repetitions, increasing to 3 sets of 15. Next, Bulgarian split squats work each leg independently and can help ease knee pain. Place one foot on a chair behind you, with your front foot forward. Lower your body until the front thigh is parallel to the floor, keeping your knee directly over your foot. Perform 2 sets of 8 repetitions per leg, building up to 3 sets of 12. Third, isometric glute bridges strengthen the glutes and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips so they align with your shoulders. Hold for 20 seconds, then lower down. Repeat 5 times, aiming to hold for 30 seconds as you progress. Finally, farmer's walks improve coordination and stability. Hold light weights in both hands and walk 20 steps forward and back, keeping your posture upright. Do 3 sets, gradually increasing to 30 steps. Bonus, wall squats. Lean against a wall, then slide down into a 90-degree knee bend. Hold this position for 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Pair these exercises with 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily after your workout to enhance muscle recovery, according to studies. If you found this helpful, comment the word HOPE or share one takeaway that stood out to you.